wanted Hubie, our guest, to explain a little bit about some more about there's new DUI laws on the books. So explain just a little bit more about that and what does it mean for the average person?
Certainly. Well, it used to be that if you were pulled over for a DUI and convicted your first time, you had an automatic 90-day suspension of your driver's license. But now the rules have changed. Now, if you blow over a .15, and that indicates your blood alcohol level, if you're convicted, even over your first time, you'll have your driver's license taken away from you for at least a year. Now, obviously, with these increased penalties comes difficulties and deciding which way to go with your defense. And that's why it's always important and why I always preach to anyone who asks that the first thing you need to do after you're arrested for a DUI is to call someone experienced with DUI law and have them sit you down and talk about what your options are.
And how is it unique in Jefferson County specifically?
Well, in Jefferson County, until recently, there was no deferred prosecution for the county prosecution cases. And so, depending upon where you're arrested, say Mountain Brook or Vestavia, Homewood, Hoover, or by a Jefferson County Sheriff's Officer, the options you are facing are different and the possible outcomes are different. So again, it takes someone who's experienced in practicing in all of those different municipalities and all those different venues to really be able to explain fully what your rights are.
What is deferred prosecution? Tell everybody about those programs.
Okay, well, a deferred prosecution is a situation in which you enter into an agreement to take classes, to perform community service, to basically go through all the punishment of a conviction. But at the end of that, if you have successfully completed all of the conditions set forth for you, then the charges against you are dropped and you can keep your record clean. It's a difficult situation. It's not for everyone, but for those who are willing to toe the line and work very hard, they can keep their record clean using a deferred prosecution.
Okay, all right, thank you for sharing.